welcome back to our channel. I am Cami and we are at my house today decorating my console table for Christmas. Now all these items are from Walmart and super inexpensive, so you guys can get your home decorated on a budget for Christmas. And if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that down below because I got a lot of nice Christmas videos coming for you guys and a few DIYs. And then make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and let's go ahead and head on into the video. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna do a quick haul of all the items that I ended up picking up from Walmart. So these were kind of my top picks when I was looking through that I really thought would look nice in my home and go with like that farmhouse decor. So coming in on this first sign here, I love like the look of it, and it's almost something like you would get from Hobby Lobby, but you guys will not believe the price. Only $3.88 for that sign. Then I got this Be Merry pillow, and this one was $9.88. I also got this beaded garland, and this one is $5.98. Then just some picks that I'm going to put in my galvanized planters, and the bigger ones here were $3.98, and these small little berry ones were 98 cents, so I got 2 of each. And then I got this little reindeer, and I love the buffalo check on it. And then it just has like, they almost look like wooden legs, but they're like felt tip. And this one was $4.48, which I thought was such a good price for this little guy. And then the last one I got is this little tin tree, because I needed some height kind of to go with the rest of this. And this one was $12.88 or $12.98, I believe, on that one. And so these are all of the items that I got, and I ended up spending about $50, which I think is really good price for all these items. And I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to decorate it using some of the items that I already have. All right, let's go ahead and get decorating. All right, you guys, this is the area that I'm going to be decorating. This is the kind of little area that I have when walking in from my garage door. And if you guys did not see the fall home tour, I will link it up above for you guys. But this is kind of what I'm starting with, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take all this off, and then we're gonna decorate it and get it ready for Christmas. All right, so now I'm just gonna start placing the items kind of where I think they're gonna look good and kind of go from there. And I'm also adding these candle holders. I actually hauled these, I don't know, my last winter Decorate With Me. They are also from Walmart, and I'm just gonna kind of incorporate them because I like the black kind of look with them. So I'm gonna add that in also. Alright, you guys, so here is the final product of the decorated Christmas console table using pretty much all Walmart decor pieces. And so coming up, I just decorated those galvanized tins, and the greenery I believe is from Hobby Lobby, but then the rest of that is from Walmart. And my home picture I can link down below for you guys. I don't believe they have this exact one anymore, but there are some that are very similar. And on the top of the table, like I said, all of that decor right there is from Walmart. And the bottom section here, I got that little crate from a local consignment store, but I think you can find quite a few different ones like that. And then the scarf in there is actually the one from Dollar Tree last year, and I did see some at my Dollar Tree this year, so make sure you guys go get those. And then the sign from Walmart. And so this is how everything turned out.
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. We hope that you liked it, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe because we will have more holiday videos coming soon. Alright, we will catch you in the next video. Bye!